Hey everyone, I hope you are all doing fine. So today I am gonna teach you how you can easily write a Python script to display random jokes at regular interval so that you never get bored again while working online. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is download and install Python if it is not installed on your system already. You can go to the official site python.org/downloads and download it according to your system. Once you have downloaded and installed Python, you would have to install two packages, namely Win10Toast and PyJokes. So I would install it on my system using command prompt. I would write pip install Win10Toast and PyJokes. So once it is installed, now we are ready to start coding. Now we will code the app using a text editor. I am using Sublime Text. You can use any editor that you want. For the first step, we will first import the class called Toast Notifier from the module called Win10Toast so that it will display actual toast notifications on our window. So I will write from Win10Toast import toast notifier. Now I will import the PyJokes module so that it will display random joke on our toast notifications. So I will write import PyJokes. Finally, I will import time module so that we can add delay between our toast notifications. So I will write import time. Now I will instantiate that toast notifier class using a variable called toast. So I will write toast equal to toast notifier. Now I will add a infinite while loop so that our app keeps running and then does not come to a halt. So I will write while true. And for the final step, I will first fetch a random joke from the module called PyJokes. So I will write joke equal to PyJokes dot get joke, which is the name of the function that we are using to fetch the joke, and I'm using the category of all. Now I will show the toast notification using the class called showToast. So I will write toast dot show toast. I will specify the title. So I will write joke time. Our content, which is our joke, so I will write here joke. Icon path, which I will specify as none. And finally the duration, which means for how long our toast notification will be displayed on the window. So I will specify it as 3 seconds. And for the final part, I will add a delay of 10 seconds between toast notifications. So that when a notification is displayed, a delay of 10 seconds comes, and after that the next notification is displayed. So I will use the function called sleep. So I will write here time dot sleep 10. So now it will add a delay of 10 seconds. Now for practical purposes, you might want to display notifications every 1 hour, but for demonstration purposes, I am keeping the seconds as 6. So the sleep function accepts argument in the form of seconds. So if you want to specify 1 hour, you will have to write here 60 into 60, which is a number of seconds in 1 hour. Now I will run this script using command prompt. So I will write here as Python, the name of my script, which is joke notifier .py. Now as you can see, the notifications will be displayed on the bottom right corner of the screen with jokes. The source code of the script is available on my description. Do like, share and comment on this video, and subscribe for more awesome content like this. Thanks for watching.